Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to hide the Wi-Fi on your Windows 11. Okay, so for this guys, you can try this easy and simple method. We are not going to use any third-party extra app in our PC to hide this. So you can follow this easy and simple method. You need to open the Windows settings, hold Windows key button and then press I from your keyboard. It will open these settings. Okay, in these settings guys, in the left panel here you can get the option network and internet. Just click and open it like this and scroll down and find out advanced network settings. Okay, like this. So from here, if you want to disable the Wi-Fi, means if you want to hide this, you need to disable the Wi-Fi adapter. So just click on disable option from here. Okay, like this. So now as you can see guys, in my screen the Wi-Fi option feature was not showing in my PC. So when I'm going to connect any Wi-Fi, so there is no Wi-Fi option is showing here, as you can see guys. In case in future if you want to get back your Wi-Fi, just you need to click on enable. That's it. Okay, so that's it today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.